Hi, my name is Merrick Regan. I'm the boys lacrosse head coach here at the Hill Murray School. I love coaching at Hill Murray because I get to meet student athletes from multiple grades. I get to create relationships with them and help them achieve their goals not only on the lacrosse field, but off the field as a student athlete, as a young man. And it's really something that's awesome to see. Each kid's different, so it's fun to just, like I said, meet new kids and create those relationships during their time at Hill Murray. Since I began coaching at Hill Murray, one of the things that's really stood out to me is the amount of support that the school puts into their athletic programs, clubs, and all activities. The welcoming environment by students and staff when you're walking the hallways at school is something that's really awesome to see. Since our inaugural season in the MSHSL back in 2007, many of our players have been recognized by U.S. Lacrosse for several different awards, including Academic All-American, All-American, All-State, and All-Conference. The Pioneers have also seen several players go on to play lacrosse at the NCAA level. Our boys lacrosse coaching staff at Hill Murray has years of experience both playing and coaching in the NCAA. We also continually educate ourselves on the lacrosse field as well as how to better coach our student athletes. Boys grades 6 through 12 are able to come try out for lacrosse in the spring. I'm excited for your interest in Hill Murray and our lacrosse program, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the spring. Go Pioneers!